Imagine earning real cryptocurrency while leisurely swiping on your smartphone, matching glistening gems in a digital puzzle. This isn't a vision of a distant, speculative future. It's the reality presented by Ethereum Blast, a mobile game perched at the curious intersection of leisure gaming and financial innovation. In a world where mobile applications vie for a moment of consumer attention, Ethereum Blast not only captures it but rewards it, embedding the thrill of earning real Ethereum into each swipe of its gem-matching madness. With an addictive match-2 puzzle format, Ethereum Blast offers more than mindless entertainment. Every game is a chance to earn Bling points, which players can convert into Bitcoin or even cold hard USD. The blend of gaming and earning has catapulted Ethereum Blast into the spotlight, dazzling users with the sparkle of potential wealth and the satisfaction of puzzle-solving prowess. Here, players are simultaneously gamers and investors, exploring a new frontier of digital engagement. Ethereum Blast, at its core, is a match-2 puzzle game. The simplicity of its gameplay, where players swap adjacent gems to make matches of 2 or more, makes it immediately accessible to a wide range of users, from casual gamers to those more interested in the crypto rewards. This universal appeal is critical in understanding the game's rapid rise in popularity and user ratings. As players delve deeper, the game offers increasingly complex puzzles and challenges. These engaging elements ensure that the game remains absorbing and progressively rewarding, not merely a facade for cryptocurrency distribution. The clever game design, when players reach certain thresholds, enhances long-term engagement by occasionally rewarding them with substantial crypto payouts. Apart from being intensely absorbing, the player's journey through Ethereum Blast is laced with continuous feedback and small rewards. These elements create a powerful loop of achievement and gratification, essential in maintaining player excitement and commitment. Bling points stand at the center of Ethereum Blast's reward system, serving as a bridge between in-game achievements and real-world value. Players earn these points by completing levels, achieving high scores, and overcoming weekly challenges. What's innovative here is how these points translate into cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or can be cashed out through platforms like PayPal, making the rewards tangible and financially significant. The conversion process is transparent, and with enough consistency and skill, playing Ethereum Blast can lead to a meaningful accumulation of cryptocurrency. This model democratizes access to cryptocurrency, potentially introducing a whole new demographic to the world of digital currency through a familiar and engaging medium: mobile gaming. This integration raises intriguing questions about the relationship between digital entertainment and digital financial assets, blending enjoyment with economic opportunity. It not only appeals to those who might be seeking new entry points into the cryptosphere, but also adds an extra layer of incentive for traditional gamers. Ethereum Blast's success story is not only a case study for game developers but also for fintech innovators. This game exemplifies a broader trend where mobile gaming serves as a platform for financial engagement and even education. By seamlessly integrating cryptocurrency rewards, Ethereum Blast is pioneering a model that could redefine engagements in mobile applications. The implications for the mobile gaming industry are profound, potentially setting a standard where games are not only a form of entertainment but also a venue for micro-investments. For the fintech industry, it beckons a shift towards more consumer-friendly applications of blockchain technology, where understanding and engagement with digital currencies can come through enjoyable and non-intimidating interfaces. Furthermore, such models could incentivize more traditional financial institutions to explore playful or gamified approaches to demystifying and promoting financial products and services. While Ethereum Blast paints a hopeful picture of gaming's future in finance, several challenges loom on the horizon. Ensuring the security of in-game transactions, protecting users from potential scams, and maintaining a balance between gaming pleasure and financial gain are paramount considerations for developers. Moreover, the regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies is still in flux. As games like Ethereum Blast become more popular, they may attract more scrutiny from regulators concerned about issues ranging from consumer protection to money laundering. Nevertheless, the potential for growth and innovation in linking gameplay with genuine financial rewards is vast. As technology continues to intertwine games more deeply with other aspects of our lives, the boundaries between playing and earning may further dissolve, leading to an era where every game could be a gateway to financial enrichment. In conclusion, Ethereum Blast represents more than just a novel gaming experience. It is a vanguard of the amalgamation of entertainment and financial technology. Whether it heralds a broader integration of cryptocurrency into everyday life or remains a standout experiment in the gaming world, remains to be seen. In conclusion, Ethereum Blast represents more than just a novel gaming experience. It is a vanguard of the amalgamation of entertainment and financial technology. Whether it heralds a broader integration of cryptocurrency into everyday life or remains a standout experiment in the gaming world remains to be seen. One thing, however, is clear. The fusion of gaming with economic opportunity has never been more engaging or more rewarding.